which is condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat and precision glue gels. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. It's like I'm in more toward into the cuticle area. And you can see that how I spread my bristle, because you don't want to get it, it's like really thick and has a lot condensed glue gels when you are doing a flat dark crystals. And then we'll go ahead and using with the no wipe top coat right on top of Ankia condensed glue gels. And I am a go ahead and use some of my crystal elements from the glow in the dark crystal kits. Or the gloves, so cute though. You see? I promise it's gonna be really, really, really cute, quick, simple, and easy. So centerpiece first, and then we are going to add like some cute elements, which is the filler. That's it. If the client's doing this and you put beads on, and between like $5 or $8, it depends, because it's $5. And then if you want, the clients want some beads on, got some furs on my picker. I'm gonna go ahead and using metal beads between the crystals. It is super cute and it's simple and easy.
I think that's one is a proper Easter nail.
This is? What do you think so?
The color just match, and the crystals that you're doing right now look like a carrot.
Huh? That's a good imagining. Like, I didn't even think about it.
Right? Think about that. So it's almost like perfectly Easter.
Then
all you need is just some egg, and you're good.
Some eggs? Here, we have some eggs.
Oh, you have the egg.
Yeah. It's a gloves one. It's the eggs. You want it? Put it as an egg, hon.
Egg right on the grass. So you have the egg on the grass, and you have the carrot flying above in the cloud, in the sky.
Okay.
See? It's the egg that we're hiding in the grass.
Guess what? We need bunny.
Don't make that a bunny.
Alright. That's it. More? Okay. I don't want it using it too much, because we'll say we're gonna do it quick, simple, and easy, and now we have bunny. and then
Don't make them.
And then we'll get Easter. Okay, that's it. One more. That's it. No more. Want the paper? Oh, it looks cute. All right. Here for 60 seconds.